This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices so the transfer will be immediate. Turn on Quick Share, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi and make sure screens are unlocked. This removes permission prompts later. Once done, set visibility to everyone or contacts depending on security. This lets the devices detect each other. Why this matters? Discovery and permissions are the usual blockers. Now that both phones see one another, you can move straight to selecting the app to send without extra waiting. You now pick the app to share. Open the Play Store or your app list and go to the app page. Tap Share and select Quick Share. The sending device will scan and list nearby recipients. Choose the right device name, pause if unsure, and accept any prompts. Make sure to keep the app page open and the screen awake. Closing apps or sleeping Wi-Fi can abort transfers. This method sends the app link or APK quickly and reliably when both devices stay connected. You finish by accepting the incoming share on the receiver and following install prompts if an APK is transferred. Otherwise, the Play Store opens to the app page for install. Once installed, check the icon and open the app to confirm integrity. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices and retry within 1 minute, because Quick Share timing and radios often cause brief discovery issues that this fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.